Good morning, sunshine. What a beautiful day today.
I'm awake. Is it market day yet?
Good morning, Anna and Jack. Today we're going to the market.
Yay! The market! I love the market.
Can we buy apples, Mom?
My shoes are on. I'm ready.
I have my backpack.
Walk carefully, please. The market isn't far.
Look, Jack. I can see the market. So many colors.
Wow! It smells like fruits and bread here.
Look at all these fruits. What colors do you see?
Mom, look. Red apples. Red like my dress.
And these are orange. Oranges.
What color is this?
Yellow. It's yellow.
Mom, look. Grapes. They're purple. Purple is my favorite.
Now let's look at the vegetables. What can you find?
This is green. Green lettuce for our salad.
And these are orange carrots. Orange and orange.
Mom, can I count? 1, 2, 3 apples.
I can count too. 1, 2, 3, 4 oranges.
Smell this, Anna. It smells like cookies.
Mom, look. Who's that? Is that Teacher Cindy? Teacher Cindy! Teacher Cindy! Hi!
Hi, teacher. What are you doing here?
Anna, Jack, what a surprise. Hello, little ones.
Teacher Cindy, hi!
What are you doing here?
I'm buying flowers. I love flowers. What are you doing here?
I can count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Wonderful. You're so smart. 5 is a big number.
What color are the apples, Anna?
Red! The apples are red.
Excellent. What clever children. Have fun shopping. See you at school.
Bye, teacher. See you later.
Goodbye.
Now let's finish our shopping. Here's our list. We need lettuce, carrots, and tomatoes. Can you help?
I can find lettuce. I know what it looks like.
I'll find carrots. They're orange.
Mom, look. I found the green lettuce.
And I found carrots. Orange carrots.
1, 2, 3. 3 apples, Mom.
Great counting, Jack. Very good.
Here, Jack. Put these in the bag.
Okay, heavy.
How much is it?
$10, please.
Here you go. $10.
Great job, everyone. Our food is ready.
We did it. We bought all the food.
And we learned colors and numbers.
Let's go home and make our dinner.
Welcome home, everyone. Did you have fun?
Dad, we bought so much food.
Let's put everything away. Anna, put apples here.
The lettuce goes in the fridge. Washing the lettuce. It's cold and wet.
Carrots are dirty. Need more water.
Watch carefully. This is how we make a salad.
It looks delicious. Great job, everyone.
We made this together. The market vegetables are the freshest. What did we learn at the market today?
We learned colors. Red, orange, yellow, green, purple.
And I can count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
You were wonderful helpers today. I'm so proud of you.